how to use harvest tool in grow a garden Roblox. So the harvest tool over here found in the gear shop is available as a divine rarity, but pretty much is available at every stock most of the time. You can harvest all fruit from a chosen plant. So it pretty much costs around 15 million or something. But anyways, you should be able to use it directly to your garden as everything on a plant. So if you go ahead and choose a specific plant, let's say a singular cauliflower over here, you go ahead and collect using the harvest tool or holding the harvest tool. It won't collect every single planted cauliflower. But if you go ahead over here to a more multiple fruit plant, let's say this green apple over here, go ahead and press on the tree and it should collect it all. You go ahead to this banana tree, it will collect all the bananas. You go ahead to this avocados, it will collect all the avocados. Pretty much only works with plants that have multiple fruits or harvests. So if you're wondering if it collects every single same type, then no, that's not the case. It only harvests at the same plant. So this peach over here claims all the peaches. But anyways, that's pretty much the basics of the harvest tool in Roblox Grow Garden. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.